Good morning, everybody. My name is Joe and I am the Education Manager at Nazih-Cosmetics. I want to welcome you to our Education Center. So here where we do hair, nail and skin training, we offer the technical training, the product knowledge. We are always happy to have you here with us.
My name is Christian Lacheny. I'm in charge of the international sales for Nail Alliance. We are based in Los Angeles, Hollywood, capital of the entertainment, of the world. Today we're going to share with you a new idea, new technique, new category of product. And I'm very lucky because I have with me the best ambassador of the brand, Gina Gonzalez. Gina comes from Mexico.
Thank you. So, good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
It starts, obviously, all the nail industry has changed a lot. And not only these days I love teaching, but also I love being a student. So I hope that you enjoyed today's training. It's very important for us to share with you not only our story, but also to be able to teach you some amazing skills for you to do in the salon. And at the end of the day, what we want is for you to grow up in this amazing industry.